Krita versus Photoshop. Which digital art software is better for your creative needs? Choosing the right tool can transform your artwork without overwhelming complexity. We'll explore both Krita and Photoshop to help you decide. Krita and Photoshop are leading digital art programs with distinct approaches. Krita is an open-source painting tool focused on artists, while Photoshop is a comprehensive image editor with extensive features. The core difference lies in specialization versus versatility. Krita is a free, open-source digital painting software designed primarily for illustrators and concept artists. It offers a robust brush engine with customizable brushes and stabilizers, making it ideal for detailed, expressive artwork. Krita supports layers, masks, and advanced selection tools tailored for painting workflows. It also provides animation features and a clean, artist-friendly interface. Krita works smoothly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, emphasizing accessibility without subscription fees. However, Krita's photo editing capabilities are limited compared to traditional image editors, focusing mainly on painting rather than photo manipulation. Its open-source nature means regular updates and a supportive community, but it may lack some professional industry integrations found elsewhere. Krita is best suited for artists seeking a powerful, cost-effective painting tool without the complexity of broader image editing software. Photoshop is the industry-standard software for digital imaging and creative editing, offering a vast range of tools for photo editing, graphic design, and digital painting. It features advanced layer management, masking, and retouching tools alongside powerful filters and effects. Photoshop supports extensive third-party plugins and integrates seamlessly with Adobe's Creative Cloud ecosystem, enhancing workflow across multiple creative applications. Its brush engine, while versatile, is complemented by numerous tools for photo manipulation, typography, and 3D design. Photoshop operates on a subscription model, providing continuous updates and cloud storage. While it has a steeper learning curve and higher cost, Photoshop's versatility makes it suitable for professionals working across photography, design, and digital art. Its broad feature set can be overwhelming for users focused solely on painting but unmatched for projects requiring diverse creative tasks. Photoshop is ideal for artists who need an all-in-one solution with professional-grade editing and design capabilities. Krita excels as a specialized painting tool, offering a focused, intuitive experience for digital artists who prioritize brush customization and natural media effects. It's perfect for those on a budget or using Linux. Photoshop, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive creative suite, balancing painting with advanced photo editing and design features. For illustrators working exclusively on digital art, Krita's streamlined tools and zero cost are compelling. However, professionals needing extensive photo retouching, typography, and multimedia integration will find Photoshop's versatility indispensable despite its cost and complexity. In real-world use, Krita supports fast, fluid painting workflows, while Photoshop handles multidisciplinary projects requiring precision and broad tool sets. The choice depends on whether your workflow demands specialized painting or a multi-purpose creative platform. Choose Krita if you want a powerful free painting-focused tool with excellent brush control and an artist-friendly interface without the need for advanced photo editing. Opt for Photoshop if you require a versatile professional-grade software that combines digital painting with robust photo editing and design tools. Its extensive features and integration make it the best choice for creative professionals working across multiple disciplines.